In this video, we're going to talk about how to install Power BI on your computer. So what you need to do is go to your browser. I'm using Chrome. So after going to your browser, you need to search Power BI. Power BI. Power BI. Search. Then you need to look for the link from Microsoft because Power BI is a Microsoft product. So I'm going to use this link. And click on the link. After clicking on that link, click where you have the products and Power BI desktop. So you're going to get this kind of interface. So you can use the first option where you're told download free, but I prefer the second option where I have to set my language first. So I'm going to set my language. You can choose any of the languages here. So I'm going to choose English. Then you can as well look at the details like we have Power BI desktop for 64-bit, which is around 357.1 MB. And you can see what Power BI can do. So you can be able to get data or import data from various sources. You can be able to, you can create relationships. You can create a report, you can save those reports, you can upload or even publish those reports. You can look at the system requirements just in case your computer does not meet these requirements. Then you have to have a look at them. The next thing is you look at the instructions for installation. So I'm going to scroll up, then download. Then once I download, I'll be able to pick on the option that I want. So I'm going to pick the first option, which is Power BI desktop for 64-bit. Then next. You can see the download has already started. So you have to wait until the download finishes and then you start the process of installation.